In this video, I want to talk about how you can withdraw from eToro to eToro Money. Now, there are two different ways to do this. The first one is to transfer from eToro to the eToro wallet. So if you have some crypto, you can transfer it and send it to the wallet. So to do that, what you want to do is just follow these steps. Go to your portfolio, select the crypto, and click on the position. And inside of there, you want to click transfer to wallet. Now, once you've done this, it will be sent to your eToro wallet. And remember, to do this, you need to have eToro Money installed. That's the eToro wallet. So eToro Money, make sure you download this, make sure you sign up. Otherwise, this option is not available. Now, the second option is to simply just withdraw funds on your eToro. And once it hits your bank account, then you just want to deposit on the eToro wallet. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.